cooking show. Here we are making the viral tomato feta pasta from TikTok, but this is gonna be our own version. So we're gonna do a little bit different. Yes, TikTok pasta with a twist. So we're gonna be using chicken for one. We're gonna add chicken, and do you have pasta? I don't think about it.
I have some type of pasta.
No, that's not like spaghetti noodles, because
I think I have spiral.
I guess it'll work. Yeah, I guess let's get all our ingredients.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we're using spirals. And
pasta is pasta.
yeah, but I feel like any pasta like this is fine as long as it's not like spaghetti noodles. Anyways, so we're gonna be using our pasta obviously, and a little bit different, we're gonna actually add grilled chicken, and instead of using feta, we're gonna do like a mozzarella, like maybe, do you have Parmesan? Maybe put like a little bit of Parmesan cheese, because we actually made this a couple weeks back, or last week, no, 2 weeks ago. And we tried it how it was, true recipe with the feta. It was just a little bit too strong for us. Like, well, I'm not a big cheese person, and I don't know, it wasn't your best. It was really good, but I think we kind of want to like tone down the cheese a little bit because it's pretty strong. So we got one of those like balls of mozzarella cheese. We're gonna see if that works. Hopefully it doesn't like burn. I mean, it's pretty much the same consistency. We got the soft version, right? Yeah. So I would think it would be the same because it's not like a hard block of mozzarella. It's like the soft, like fresh kind. So yeah, we're gonna get to cooking and showing you guys our little twist on the TikTok tomato feta pasta. I just thought it'd be fun to make this video, just make it like its own little thing because it's so popular right now. It's kind of like the trend has fallen off, I feel like, but we're a little bit late. But like I said, we did make it a couple weeks ago, but this is just us making a little video about it. It was funny when I bought the ingredients the first time we made it, there was like a bunch of people there obviously buying the same things. I saw this girl with like a basil plant, and all these different people had like the same combination, like tomato, cheese, and basil. And I actually went up to like a group of girls I saw, and I was like, this is really weird, but are you making the tomato pasta? And they were like, yeah. So obviously it was like a big thing, and everyone has heard of it by now. So we are just gonna get to making our own. I guess we should go ahead and do like the tomato and basil and stuff first, because that's gonna be, or not basil, the tomato and cheese has to cook first in the oven for like 40 minutes, I think. So we'll put that in, and then closer to the end, we'll boil the pasta and also grill the chicken, because that won't take long. So we'll just put together the tomato and cheese now and show you guys how it turns out. Hopefully this one turns out better. I liked the last one actually a lot, like I thought it was good, but I feel like this might be better.
Yeah, I think this one will be better.
Hopefully. We'll see. Okay, so we have our ingredients. We have our basil, tomatoes, salt, red pepper, garlic, olive oil, and our cheeses. We have this ball of fresh mozzarella cheese and shredded Parmesan cheese. And then of course our pasta and grilled chicken. So what we're gonna do first is do the tomatoes and cheese in a little dish. And I actually have to wash these first. So there's our tomatoes. Let me get a baking dish. And here is our dish. So I can't remember if I think we put the tomatoes in first, right? Hold on. I gotta watch a TikTok.
Add cherry tomatoes, olive oil, and salt to a baking dish and toss.
Okay, so tomatoes going first with the olive oil and salt. It always seems like not as much tomatoes as everyone else uses, but I looked up an actual recipe and it said 1 pint. So I feel like I kind of needed more olive oil last time, so I'm gonna put quite a bit. And they said salt the tomatoes. Why do I feel like I did this like totally different last time? Maybe not. I don't want to put my hands in there, so I'm just gonna kind of mix those around. Side note, John just told me that his wings have been tasting weird because he realized he was using Caesar dressing instead of ranch. So that's that. I just want to share.
Let me show you. I was going in here looking for my ranch. I immediately assumed this was ranch because it was a white bottle. It looked like ranch. I was not looking at the label. But yeah, my ranch was right here. So that's great. So
he just opened the fridge and he was like, oh.
Buffalo wings with Caesar dressing.
You said it wasn't that bad though.
It's a new trick.
Okay, so we're going to take the mozzarella. Hopefully this is good. I'm assuming it'll, like, what's the difference? I feel like it'll be.
I don't know. I like mozzarella.
I know, but I'm just like hoping it's not this, like a different kind of.
Is that the Target brand? That probably just made it worse.
Yeah, it did.
Because you just have to. Okay. You're not gonna...
You do it. No, it's hard, right?
You get it sealed.
See? It's not that easy, huh? Okay. So we're gonna put this right in the middle. I'm assuming it's not gonna be any different. It's just kind of like rounder, and then the fat was like a block, but it's okay.
It's still cheese.
So what they do here is, actually I'm gonna do this first. So you're supposed to drizzle some more olive oil. This is also light olive oil, so there's like no way you're gonna see it.
You probably go heavier on it because it's light.
Yeah, and it's also like
it's kind of pointless,
fat piece of cheese, but we'll probably add some more after. But they actually did the crushed red pepper on this. I don't want too much, it's too spicy. Is that good? A little more. And I don't think they added pepper in the one that I saw, but I'm like, why not? So just gonna put pepper on the whole thing. I don't think we need to salt the cheese, right? I wonder if we should like break this in half, 'cause it's like so big. It's fine though. It's the same, I think it's 8 ounces for both. Like it's the same amount of ounces. We're gonna add some of it says fancy shredded Parmesan cheese. So I don't know, I just feel like that'll be good, you know? Too much?
You want to put any over tomatoes?
No, because you're supposed to have like the cheese just melt in itself, and then you can like mix it all around. So I think like
that's fine.
And maybe a little bit more olive oil. Maybe a little bit more pepper. I just don't like that Parmesan cheese is like exposed. So preheat your oven to what were we gonna do? 425. Is that what we said?
Yeah.
Because I think the thing that I watched said 400 for 30 minutes, and then crank it up to 450 for 10. So we're just gonna do 425 for like 40 minutes. We did that last time and it's fine. So, okay, the oven just beeped, which means it's ready. So next step, put it in the oven. Ooh. For, what do we say, 40 minutes?
Yeah.
Should I do this timer? Yes.
Yeah, that works.
I hate using this. I feel like I'm like on Food Network. Maybe we should actually have a cooking show. I actually really like cooking a lot. I feel like this could be like a little series. Maybe I should start doing more recipes. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, we have our chicken ready to be cut. And we're gonna start boiling the water, right?
Yep.
Put water in here. And I'm actually gonna cut up the basil. This is actually, there's no date on this, I don't think. I looked. Some of it's definitely bad, but there were some fresh pieces on top that I think I can use. And then we'll add in the garlic and everything else. So I lied, we're actually gonna grill it like this, and then we'll cut it after we cook it, but I am gonna go ahead and do the basil. It's chicken time.
Chicken time.
Oil your pan. Boop. Well, the water's boiling now, actually. Perfect timing. It's only gonna take like 10 minutes though, so. How much do we have on the timer? Like 20? Well, yeah, we can let it, we'll have to strain it and stuff, so. Get your oil heating up for the chicken. I'm telling you, like, people like make this without, like, why not just add chicken? It'll make it so much better. I don't know. I guess some people are, I was gonna say it's not vegan because it's cheese. So maybe they just want like vegetarian. I don't know. Let's go ahead and put the pasta in. Okay, we're gonna put some onion and garlic powder on the chicken as well. And let's go ahead and get this pasta cooking. Yeah, is that like 3/4? Last time we made a whole box and it was way too much. I feel like the like sauce to pasta ratio was not good. So we'll do a little bit less this time. And then yeah, we'll know like right about 10 minutes it should be done. Salt, generous amount. Sodium. What's next? Oh, all of it. Pepper next, right? That's how it would go. The concentration. Okay, we have this big, nice pepper grinder that I bought him, but it's like towards the end of it, and it's like, I don't know, it doesn't really come out right. But we need to try and refill it. What is this, the onion powder? And I don't really believe in onion powder. I feel like garlic powder is all you need. Pasta's cooking. You didn't season the other side. Oh, you're gonna do it in the pan? Number 1. Number 2. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it's not even touching. You need to move it. Number 3. Salt round 2. I actually heard people putting like lemon in this recipe. Like these like zested a lemon on the sauce. Might be good. We don't have any lemon though, I don't think. Also, I love our spoon holder. It's like stone looking. I should probably get the camera out of the steam. But yeah, hopefully, I think one day we'll redo the kitchen. Just the cabinets, I feel like we want to either paint or replace. So we'll see, because it's kind of a big project. But this is a look into the kitchen for now. Maybe we'll make some more cooking series videos, and then maybe one day you'll see the kitchen remodeled. But for now, this left to do. Oh, it's cooking pretty fast. Yeah, you can maybe turn it down a little. The pasta's going. I feel like I want to check on the tomatoes. Did your light work? Didn't it break?
Yeah, but
let's take a look. Oh, whoa. I feel like it's making a lot more cheese. I'm telling you, I swear it was like the same amount of ounces, but we'll see how that turns out. I feel like it's gonna be kind of cheesy. Time for a facial. We're gonna strain the pasta. I always say it's like a facial. And it's funny because after I started saying that, like a day after, I saw Kylie and Kris Jenner say the same thing. Here we go. I feel like that wasn't as, oh wait, no, here we go. Just say it's not as effective as usual.
Once you shake it.
Yeah, that's true. There we go. It's kind of gross when you have makeup on a little bit, but I don't have face makeup on, but just like bronzer. Anyways, that's done. Chicken I think is pretty much done, so I think we'll get that cut up. And we have 7 minutes on our tomato cheese sauce. I think the thing is, what we realized, it's just melting and the feta like stays in its like form somehow, and it just like kind of like chars the top. So I think it'll still be good, but we're gonna have to see how this goes. Chicken is cut. We actually just turned the broiler on for like the last 2 minutes or so. Cause I don't know, I feel like that'll just help it get a little brown. I just looked, it was already kind of like brown on the top, but.
Adding another twist.
Yes, seriously. We just looked and it looks like it's about to start like bubbling. So I'm gonna take it out. Oh yeah, that was a good idea. I feel like that got it to a good point. Look at that. Looks like a pizza. Looks like pepperonis. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of garlic. Whoa. I'm gonna put in our basil. This is gonna be so good. I think last time I didn't add the chicken in until I like put it in the like back in the pot with the pasta. We're gonna see if we can fit the pasta in here. I don't think we can, but I guess we're gonna put in our chicken. This looks so good and smells so good. I feel like the basil just makes it like the best. I love basil. I think I just lost a piece of chicken. Oh, look at how good that looks. Should we do a little bit more like red pepper, you think? Or regular pepper, salt?
No.
Okay, time to mix it all up. Hoping this cheese works. I can't remember like how much I crushed up the tomatoes. Like it seems pretty like oily too, which I feel like that was the problem with the last one. It like was kind of dry. So I feel like this, I don't know if it's because it's mozzarella, like it's watery kind of, which is good, or like oily. That looks really good. Yeah, I don't know, the feta is just like not our vibe. Oh, see, look how much better it's getting, like the more you mix it. But yeah, I feel like I want to chop up some of these tomatoes.
Get those pretty small.
Yeah, I see people like leave them like whole almost, but I feel like we like it more dispersed, you know? Oh, I'm so excited. This smells like it should literally be like out of a restaurant. It smells kind of like the shrimp scampi I get at Cheesecake Factory, which is like my favorite thing ever. I feel like the tomatoes are just kind of giving me that smell with the basil and the garlic. The only difference is this is chicken, but that looks so good. Okay, should we try and add the pot in here, or should we just pour this into the pot?
Yeah, just pour that in there. It'll be easier to stir.
Like put this in the pot?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I think we definitely got our ratio a little bit. I'm just gonna dump it and then I'll stir it all in. See, it makes it definitely more like creamy. Yeah, I think this is gonna be bomb. I still feel like this is like more pasta, not enough sauce distribution. Because I feel like it's not even really like a sauce. I feel like that's the thing though, is this mozzarella is getting really like sticky to itself. So it's kind of becoming like one big. I think it's fine. I just like, I don't know. I'm gonna try some. Cause you know, like I don't want to get like pieces of just like noodle that aren't like anything. Maybe we can put some more like red pepper and stuff. I mean, it's still pretty good. pasta seems a little not sauced, but it's really because we don't have that feta. See, like, this is just one big chunk, so. I just did another taste test and it's good. Have you even tried it yet?
Yeah, it's really good.
Did you really try it? I didn't even see you.
I did.
Oh, it tastes a lot like the sauce that's somehow in shrimp scampi at Cheesecake Factory. But yes, this was definitely a success. And we're so excited to eat this right now. Cooking show was a hit, pretty sure. So yeah, definitely try it this way. It is really sticky, like we showed. Like, I feel like the mozzarella is just kind of sticking to itself. But if you mix it up enough, we actually put like a splash of milk and a little bit more seasoning, and it turned out pretty good. So flavor is definitely there. It's just a matter of breaking up the cheese and stuff. We probably could have added, like I said, a little more basil. So it's not really like that creamy kind of sauce that I feel like we kind of got with the last one, but it tastes really good. Thanks for watching our little cooking show. Hope you guys try it out this way, or don't, but this was enjoyable, and thanks for watching.